Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Glam with Shan here, back with another video. I don't think I properly introduced myself, but my name is Chantel. That's my full name, but I do go by the name Shan. Most people call me that, and that's where the name Glam with Shan came from. So that's what I'm going to be saying in the beginning of my intros. Also guys, please forgive me for like the background noise. I do have the dishwasher going on, and then you probably can hear the air conditioner going on too as well. But anyways, yes, I got a package from Influencer, and it's from Covergirl, which is the True Blend Matte Made Foundation. And honestly, I'm probably like super late with this review because I had this box probably like a little bit over a month. I don't know why it's not focusing. But yeah, it says Covergirl, if you can't see it. Inside the box is a pamphlet about the product, and it has every skin color on there. So I'm guessing they're trying to cater to everybody with this line. We have some black paper, nothing really special. And the foundation, they sent me the color T15, and they also sent me the skin smoothing primer. It's called the Base Business, so I guess it's about that business as far as priming the skin. Sometimes I get like super dry. I don't know why. I don't know if because it's summertime or what, but I'm kind of scared to use that matte primer because we're already using a matte foundation, and I'm not that oily. Just oily in the T-zones, and then the rest of my face is like super dry. And I'm still like learning in my face, but so far I found that like I'm not that oily. So like I've been saying, I've been trying to get to know my skin a little bit better nowadays. I'm more of like a complexion type of girl. I don't really wear eyeshadow as much. I like my skin to look like glowy and smooth and soft. So I'm gonna hydrate my skin with the Urban Decay Rehab Makeup Prep. This stuff feels so good. Like, it's probably not good, but my pores are open. Like, I can really feel the air conditioner going through my skin. It feels so good. Ugh. I don't want to put no makeup on. But for the sake of this video, I think I'm going to also use the primer too. Like, probably just like in a little spot on my face. But I'm like super scared. I hate matte primers and matte foundation combined together. So I'm just going to put a little bit like right here. And it feels like lotion. Just half of my face, just half of my face. I don't know what I want to do. And now for the star of the show, I'm going to be using their matte foundation in the color 215, like I said before. So I'm going to pump some on the back of my hand. And it does have like a twist lock, so I like that. You can travel with it. And it's not going to get all over in your makeup bag when you're traveling. This is more like a thick consistency. It's not runny. So I'm gonna use my damp beauty blender and blend away. Yeah, this foundation is super matte, super duper matte. And it's probably medium to full coverage because you can still see my freckles through it. If I probably put another layer over it, the less you can probably see. But no foundation ever covers up my freckles completely. So that's how I really tell, is like how covered up my freckles get. I really get the true cover up when I use a concealer on top. I usually go for a full coverage type of foundation because I find it not necessary to be wearing foundation if I'm gonna do a light coverage. Like, I just don't see the point in that. So yeah. Full coverage for me. I think I can get away with this color. It's alright. It just looks like a regular drugstore foundation. It's like nothing really that special. It does blend pretty good though. I think I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then come back like probably like an hour or two later and show you guys the results. So let me see what time it is. So it's 9:52 right now, and I think I'll come back and show you guys probably about 11 or 12 o'clock because I'm not sleeping in this makeup, but I'll come back and let you guys know. Okay guys, I finished my makeup. Unfortunately, it hasn't been that much time that passed, but it is like 11:12. Like I said, I was gonna come back, but it is getting late and I have to be up early, so that is the time for you. As you know, I only use primer in this area right here, so it is like super dry, but I guess you'll be okay if you use primer all over your T-zone if you wanted to. But me personally, I moisturize very well. I don't feel like I need that extra primer because the foundation is also matte. The foundation is thick in consistency and it blends very well. Like, I really do love it, because when I was putting my concealer on top, I had no problems blending that out. I put my powder on top. I think it looks all right. It looks like how I normally do my makeup. I'm no expertise. You guys let me know what you think of it. I definitely think it's worth your money. I probably will put this in my kit, in my freelance kit, honestly, because I've been looking for a good foundation for oily skin type people, and I just don't have the money to splurge on like NARS and Forever. Makeup Forever right now, so I'll probably put that one in there. But like, they also have a good shade range as well. If I were you, I would go ahead and try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos. Bye.